Friends and fellow devotees of the Lord, every good thing comes to an end. Everything that begins must end. Such is the law of life. And this beautiful camp that we had for over 3 days comes to an end with this program. I feel grateful to every one of you for having cooperated with the discipline of the camp, for having maintained the right atmosphere. And I believe that you will be taking something from this camp. Not only the shampoo bottles and soap pieces, but something that is more permanent and lasting, that is capable of changing your lives. It is life that needs to be changed. And life changes in the measure in which your heart changes. Out of the heart are the issues of life. The heart is the most important factor, but we pay little attention to it. It is the heart that needs to change. Once the heart changes, life changes. Now we will be having a question-answer session, after which we will bid goodbye to each one of us till we meet again.
Pranams revered Dadaji. What are the steps to make God our senior partner?
There are no steps. You have directly to go to the Lord and tell Him, you are my senior partner. He is waiting to hear those words out of your lips. He has waited for years together, births together. All you have to do is to go to Him and tell Him, Lord, from now on, you are my senior partner. And as you know, the senior partner will expect 10% of your income. Only 10%. 90% is for you, but 10% is for the Lord. 10% to be kept aside, to be used in service of good causes as the Lord directs.
I am going through a very trying phase and I feel so sad that I have been drifting away from you. Dada, if this is the prasad from your holy hands, how do I bear your separation?
We need not be separate from each other. Truly, nothing can separate us. But it is the awareness of closeness, nearness that is needed, that you can always cultivate within your heart. I can cultivate within my heart. Every day I can think all of you. Every day I can think of this hall where I meet you and talk to you and see you and receive your blessings. God has given us 3 great gifts. He has given us the gift of will, He has given us the gift of imagination, He has given us the gift of thought. Through thought, will and imagination, though we may be imprisoned in a jail, we can feel that we are living in a palace. We feel we are living in a temple. We feel we are living in a church. We feel we are living in a satsang. So we need not have that sense of separation. Wherever we be, whatever be our condition, we can have that closeness, we can have that nearness. Yes.
There are two questions connected to this. Dada, we enjoyed coming to satsang very much at one point of time, but nowadays we don't feel the same way. How do we deal with this feeling?
It's only the attitude that needs to be changed, as I said yesterday. Our attitudes, they determine how we feel about life and other things. If only we can change our attitude, we can be always on the top of the world. Yes. You must take care of your attitude. You must see that your attitude is the right one. Our difficulty is that our attitude is not correct. And therefore we have so many problems, we have so many perplexities, we have so many difficult situations. It's all due to attitude.
Dadaji, if a devotee has got a mantra from you and unknowingly shares it, will he lose the power of the mantra?
No. The mantra does not lose its power. The mantra, as you repeat it more and more, you are only making it more and more powerful. And that power will always remain with the mantra, so long as you continue to use it. All these things are, I think, they are later developments. I don't know how they came about, but you can share your mantra, you can sing your mantra, you can repeat your mantra aloud, you can do.
With Dada, pranams.
Pranams.
Dada, you say each one of us has our own video where everything is preordained. If that is the case, must we make an effort in life where work, marriage, etc. is concerned? Also, are divorces and broken engagement destined?
Divorces and things like that, I believe, especially suicide, I believe is taking the law in your own hands, which you must not do. I believe marriage is a sacrament, it is not an agreement, it is not a contract, it is not a deed of partnership, no. It is a lifelong connection. It is a sanskara. In Hindu philosophy, we call it sanskara. Even as you are born in a particular family, you cannot change your father, you cannot change your mother. Likewise, when you get married, it's a sanskara. The two become one. You cannot break that union. Yes. Therefore, I am not in favor of divorce or suicide or things like that. That is breaking the law. That is taking the law in your own hands, and you have to pay heavily for it. Yes.
When a baby is in the womb, at what point does the soul enter the baby's body?
The moment the baby starts being in the womb, the soul is there.
And at what?
Gradually it gets the senses, the eyes, the ears, the nose. Yes.
And what are the good mantras for a mother to be?
I cannot give you a mantra, but the mother should continue to pray. More than the mantra is the prayer of the mother. The prayer should come out of the heart of the mother. God, you are giving me a child. May the child grow to be useful, to be pure, to be chaste, to always walk on the right side. So such a prayer should come out of the mother's heart. Yes. Mantras are also like prayers, but they are prayers indicated by the rishis of old. We can have our own prayers, yes.
Dada, in today's time, the corruption has creeped into our system to such an extent that nothing is possible without being a party to it. Even when we want certain permissions to be passed for a good cause, we have to offer bribe. Dear Dada, can such a situation be avoided?
The situation can be avoided, but because you have the money to pay a bribe, you find that as an easy way of getting things done. I remember when we were in Pakistan, Sadhu Vaswani had a house, and he said, I will not leave Sindh until the house is sold. Now, for the house to get sold, we needed a no objection certificate from the administrator of Karachi. He was a new man. He was not a man whom we knew or who knew us. He had come from Bihar or some such place. So every day I used to go to get the no objection certificate. The certificate was ready. All that was to be done was for the administrator to sign it. I used to go in the morning at 9 o'clock. He used to come at 9:15. He would pass me by. He would say, oh, your work is not yet done. I'll get it done today. But in the evening he would go out by the back door. I would not even know whether he's gone. But at about 4:30 or 5, he would leave his office. Now, I used to carry my papers to his office, and I made his office my office for the time being. I continued to do it for 15 days. It took me 15 days. But after 15 days, his heart was touched. And he said, I'm very sorry, I have not been able to do your work. He wanted a bribe, which I could not give because Sadhu Vaswani was against giving bribes. So for 15 days, I used to go and sit there and do my work. I had no difficulty at all. But after 15 days, he signed and he told me, you are the first one to get the paper. So you come, I'll sign for you and you take it away. So it can be done, but we have to go through the cycle. I know of another case. I was moving on a cycle in those early days. And Pune was something very strange for us, because in Karachi we always had the policeman standing in the center of the four roads used to meet. He would stand at the center. In Pune there are many places where you have only 3 roads. So the policeman stands on one of those 3 roads, and it is likely that we may not see the policeman while we were moving. So the policeman caught me. He said, I gave you the signal to stop, but you did not stop. I said, I'm sorry, I'm not used to this type of signaling, but I'm very sorry. Then he said, you stop here, I'll take you to the chowki, the policeman. I said, all right, you take me to the chowki. Then he sent a man to me, that why are you waiting for so long? Just to give 1 rupee. In those days, a rupee was a valuable thing. So I said, I don't mind giving a rupee, but that would be a bribe and I cannot do it. I'm very sorry. After 15 minutes, he sent another man saying, give him 8 annas. In those days, a rupee consisted of 16 annas, half a rupee. I said, I don't mind giving. I mean, that is not much, but I cannot do it as a matter of principle. Again, after 15 minutes, another man came, give him 4 annas. He will go in. I said, I can't do it. It's something which is... He came to 2 annas. He came to 1 anna. I said, all right, give him 1 anna. In those days, a cup of tea was available for 2 pice. That is, in 1 anna you could get 2 cups of tea. I don't know how much a cup of tea is worth today. 5 rupees? 10 rupees? How much? This hotel, of course. This hotel, to sit in this hall, we have to pay 1,500 rupees. So I said, no. Then he found that this man will not do. So he took me to the chowki. As he took me to the chowki, I had a number of copies of the East and West series which I was editing. So one of them was on Saint Tukaram. Saint Tukaram is highly respected in this part of the country. So he asked me, what is this that you are carrying? I told him it's a book on Saint Tukaram. Then he asked me, what do you do? And so on and so forth. Then I told him, we have a satsang every evening. You come and join us in the satsang. I'll give you plenty of prasad, but I will not be able to give you any bribe. And he did come to the satsang. And I did give him plenty of prasad. And he was happy, but no bribe, no bribe. So it all depends upon how you think of it. Yes.
I cannot resist the aura of the Guru. But when I come close to the Guru, I lose my bhakti and I become manmukh. What should I do?
Become a Gurumukh? It is in your hands to become a manmukh or a Gurumukh. All you have to do is to be a master of your mind. Don't let the mind master you. You be a master of the mind. As they say, you should always be in the driver's seat. You should not let anybody else drive you. So many of us, we feel angry. When we feel angry, we are giving power to the other person to make us angry. Then we are not in the driver's seat. We are being driven by somebody. You should always be careful to see that you are in the driver's seat.
Dadaji.
That is in your hands. You have to be the master of your mind. You should not let the mind be your master. There was a holy man of God. They asked him, how did you attain such heights of holiness? And he said, all I did was, whenever the mind told me I must speak, I did not speak. Supposing you come and speak a few degrading words to me, the mind immediately reacts, the mind immediately jumps up. There was a man, he said to me, so and so spoke to me bad one bad word. In return, I spoke to him 10 bad words. Now that was not right, because that is listening to the mind. That is coming under the influence of the mind. If you are the master, you will not do it. Yes. So all you have to do is to become a Gurmukh. Or you tell the Guru that this is what happens to me, please so bless me that it may not happen to me any further. You can do that also, yes.
Dadaji, now when we are in satsang or sadhana camp, we are connected. But when we go back to basics, to a daily routine, this connection breaks regularly. What should we do to remain connected always?
Therefore, as I said in the morning, when you get up, the first thing is pick up a line from Santabani or Guruvani or the sayings of the great ones, and keep on revolving those words in your mind. That will keep you in a state of awareness. Yes. All you need to do is to be in a state of awareness. After every hour, remind yourself of the words with which you got up in the morning. Deena Bandhu, Deena Nath, Meri Dori, Tere Haath. Keep on doing it every hour. That is why those watches were given to you last night. After every hour, the watch will strike. The watch will say, speak the words to you. Deena Bandhu, Deena Nath, Meri Dori, Tere Haath. You will be in a state of awareness. Just try it for a week. You will find the difference. Now we live a life of forgetfulness. That life has no hope. You should come out of it. You should live a life of awareness.
Dadaji, the year 2012 is predicted as the end of the world. Is it true?
It will be the beginning of the world.
What is the positive change that will occur,
That will,
take place?
we will see. You and I will see it together.
Dada, I want you, my Guru, to be the focus of my attention all the time. How do I do this?
I am not a guru. I am a servant of the Guru. The Guru is Sadhu Vaswani. Therefore, the more you think of him, the better. We both will think of him more and more and more. And in that thought, we will be unified to each other. Yes.
If the parents of the girl and boy mutually like the girl and boy, but the horoscopes do not match, what should we do?
I don't think you should pay much attention to that. You should go ahead.
Dada, is it okay for a student to be infatuated? If not, how does one get out of it?
How does one get into it?
Get out of it.
Get into it. If he knows how to get into it, he can come out of it.
Dearest Dadaji, there are so many different forms of God. Shiva, Ganesh, Krishna. I pray sometimes but get confused who to pray to build up my faith.
And they are not different forms of God. They are only different dresses worn by the one God. Now you have been here for 4 days. You have not been wearing the same dress. You have been changing your dresses, but you are the same person. The dress you wore yesterday is not the dress that you have worn today. You keep on changing dresses. The person is one. He keeps on changing dresses, that's all. So you can always appeal to any, I shouldn't say form of God, because the form doesn't change, the form is the same. But the dress keeps on changing.
Dada, we must abstain from eating non-vegetarian food. What are your views on pest control and medicines that we take but have been tested on animals?
I think before you get pest control done, you should clean your house so that there are no insects left who may be killed if you have pest control. That is point number 1. And point number 2 is, there are people who don't use medicines which have been manufactured after having been used on animals. There are people like that. They are against vivisection. But if you take a medicine which is the product of animal experimentation, I think God will be kind to you. He will not. Yes. If you take medicine which is the result of experiments on animals, then it is your responsibility to serve animals. You should in return serve animals and balance out the karma. Yes.
दादा श्याम प्यारा दादा, दादा अवां उन ॾींहुं चयो त शिष्य जा कर्म कटण लाइ गुरुअ खे मुल्ह ॾियणो पवंदो आहे, त छा अवां शरीर जो हेॾो कष्ट असांजे कर्मनि कटण लाइ कयो आहे? मिठड़ा दादा, असीं तव्हां लाइ छा करियूं?
मां त गुरु कोन आहियां न, मां त तव्हां जहिड़ो आहियां। असीं हिक ॿिए लाइ वेठा करियूं। तव्हीं मुंहिंजे लाइ करियो, मां तव्हांजे लाइ करियां। तव्हीं
त असीं छा करियूं?
जी,
तव्हांजे लाइ छा करियूं?
मुंहिंजे लाइ प्रार्थना करियो, मूंखे आसीस ॾियो, मूंखे आसीस ॾियो।
हिकिड़ो ॿियो भाउ,
मुंहिंजे सदके हिक ॿिए खे वधीक वधीक प्यार ॾियो। जीअं वधीक वधीक तव्हीं हिक ॿिए खे प्यार ॾींदा, तीअं मूं ते असरु वधीक वधीक सुठो थींदो। मूंखे ॿियो कुझु की न खपे तव्हां खां, मूंखे फ़क़ति इहो खपे, हिक ॿिए खे प्यार ॾियो, हिक ॿिए जी शेवा करियो, हिक ॿिए खे पूरी तरह अंडरस्टैंड करियो, हिक ॿिए सां मिठीअ तरह हलो। मूंखे ॿियो कुझु की न खपे।
मुंहिंजा मिठड़ा गुरुदेव, लाहूत छा आहे? लाहूत छा आहे?
लाहूत के संत इहो ख़र्क़ मानींदा आहिनि के संत सचखंड करे उनखे कोठींदा आहिनि, के उनखे असलूकी वतन करे कोठींदा आहिनि, पर लाहूत आहे जितां असीं आया आहियूं। लाहूत आहे असांजो वतन, जो वतन छॾे असीं हिते पिया भिटकूं। अलाए छो छॾियोसीं? जुदा जुदा जवाब असांखे मिलंदा आहिनि इन सुवाल जा, पर फैक्ट आहे त असीं लाहू छॾे हिते हिन पृथ्वीअ ते आया आहियूं। ऐं हीअ पृथ्वी त आहे हिकु सूर जो मकान, हिकु हिक खे को न को सूर लॻो पियो आहे, हिकु हिक खे। ॿाहिरीअ तरह ॾिसण में पियो अचे त असांखे का तकलीफ़ की न आहे, पर तव्हां जंहिंखां पुछंदा तव्हांखे जेकॾहिं दिलि खोले ॿुधाईंदो या ॿुधाईंदी त तव्हांखे चवंदा असांखे ही सूर आहे। सूर शरीर जो न, सूर मन जो थी सघे थो, सूर रूह जो थी सघे थो, पर ही सूर जी दुनिया आहे। लाहूत उहा दुनिया आहे जिते सूर थिए ई की न, जिते सत्संग पिया थियनि, जिते आरतियूं पियूं थियनि, जिते प्रभुअ जो नाम पिया उचारीनि।
If after marriage one partner falls ill and is unable to perform his or her duties, is it right for the other partner to have another life with someone else?
It is not right. That is just the time when one partner should show to another partner how much he or she feels for the other partner. It's a period of testing, yes.
My spouse is not decisive and gets confused. How can his decision making improve?
The spouse cannot take decision, but the spouse has decided to be your spouse. That decision he or she has taken. It is enough. Then together you can make further decisions.
Whatever I do for success, I seem to fail. How can I achieve success without losing my honesty and integrity?
If you want to live a life of utter honesty and integrity, then you have to do your duty. You don't have to think of the result. The result, the Lord says, is in my hands. I will give you the result. Whatever He thinks is good for me, He will give me. But I must continue to do my duty. It's a very plain, simple thing. I keep on doing my duty without expecting anything in return. Whatever comes to me as the prasadam of God. What is it that we call success? I tell you, most of the so-called successful people are unhappy people. And if they are unhappy, how can they be supposed to have achieved success? How can a man be unhappy? He has to be happy. He has to feel fulfilled. A successful person is one who always feels fulfilled. A king wanted to be happy, and he sent forth a proclamation throughout the town. Whoso would indicate to him the way to be happy, if it clicked with him, he would reward such a man. Many people came forward, bringing their prescriptions of happiness, but none of them appealed to the king. Nobody got a reward. Until one day, a sage, a holy man, a man of God entered the palace. He said to the king, "You want to be happy? Let me tell you the way to be happy. If you can find a happy man, a man who's happy, and if you can wear his shirt, you will be happy." Somehow or the other, the suggestion clicked, and the king sent forth parties in different directions to find out if there was a man who was truly happy, and if they found such a man, to bring the shirt of that man and give to the king. The king said, I will wear it and be happy. One search party came across such a man. He was a woodcutter. He was felling down trees. He appeared to be very happy. There was a spring in his steps as he walked. His eyes glowed with happiness. His face always wore a smile. And the leader of the party said to him, at last we have found a man who we believe is happy. Will you kindly give us your shirt? The king will wear it and he will be happy. The woodcutter said, I would gladly give you my shirt, but I have no shirt at all. So it is the man of non-possession who is happy. The man who does not even possess a shirt. We think so and so has succeeded in life. How can a person be said to have achieved success if he is not happy, if he is not fulfilled?
Dada, my older son has lost his interest in studies. We don't know why. He used to be a 95% student. He is now only
95%. What about the remaining 5%?
Achieve 95% marks.
Huh? He scored 95%.
he is now only interested in his guitar and music. There is no livelihood from a career in music. How can we impress this upon him?
Perhaps he doesn't need a livelihood.
He become a fakir.
Maybe he'll turn out to be a genius in music. Maybe he will become a Mozart. Maybe he'll become a Beethoven. One doesn't know. We should help the child to move along the line that suits him. We should not make a child be my own copy. This is the difficulty with so many parents I know. They want their children to be their carbon copies, which the children will not become, because each child comes bringing with himself his own destiny. We must help the child to move, to fulfill his own destiny.
Is it necessary to do shraddhs? Is it necessary to do shraddhs?
If you think it is necessary, it is necessary, not otherwise.
Does it reach them?
Pardon?
Does it reach them?
No, it does not reach them. It doesn't reach them, no.
Dada, God has no form, no size, no shape. When we pray to God, what kind of image do you portray in your mind's eye? What image do you concentrate when you close your eyes and think of God?
I don't think of any picture of God. God is formless. God is colorless. Therefore, when I pray to God, I say, O thou who art formless, who art colorless, who art without size, without shape, without anything, and who are at the same time with everything, listen to my prayers. Yes. God is form with form. God is formless. And God is beyond form and formlessness.
Dadaji, you love your Guru so much. When you talk about him, your voice is choked and often tears in your eyes. how can we too be blessed to love you that much?
To love me, love my Guru. You will be blessed, abundantly blessed.
I question, but we have not seen Bade Dada, so I love only you. We have not seen Bada Dada, she says.
You don't need to see him. You know that he is. Love him with all your heart, and you will be blessed. I'm only a middleman, I'm only an agent. Yes, to bring you in touch with him. Yes, you will be abundantly blessed.
Dada, should we be a slave of society? Today, we are being bound to what other people may think about us. Should we just do what we think is right or what they think is normal by the society?
You should do what a spiritual elder will tell you to do. Don't do what you think is right, but you consult a spiritual elder, and whatever he tells you is right, you should do that. Yes. Don't care about what society people think of you, but you should have some spiritual elder who may advise you. Yes. Sant jana ke mil vichar. Mil kare vichar. Those are the words in the Sukhmani. When you think, when you arrive at a conclusion, do it according to what the saints, the holy ones tell you. Yes.
प्यारा दादा, अॻे क्वेश्चन आंसर सेशन में तव्हां चयो त जेकॾहिं कोई तव्हांजी का शइ चोराए वञे त ईअं करे सम्झो त हू शायदि अॻे जनम जो हिसाब थो वठे.
मां भायां थो, मूं तव्हांखे चयो त जेकॾहिं को तव्हांजी शइ चोरी करे थो वञे त तव्हीं कोशिशि करियो हुन चोर खे ॻोल्हण जी, पर जे तव्हीं केॾी बि कोशिशि करियो ऐं तव्हीं नथा ॻोल्हे सघो त दुख न करियो, सम्झो त अॻे जनम जो हिसाबु किताबु लही वियो. मूं सम्झो त मूं ईअं चयो. हा.
जे हू माण्हू अॻे जनम जो हिसाबु नथो वठे ऐं हीउ कर्म उन माण्हूअ जो हिन जनम जो आहे त छा मूंखे हुन खां पोइ ॿिए जनम में चोर थी हुन खां हिसाबु वठिणो पवंदो?
न न, तव्हीं हुनखे माफ़ु करे छॾियो. जेकॾहिं को माण्हू तव्हांजी चोरी करे थो वञे ऐं तव्हीं नथा चाहियो त तव्हीं जनम वठो ऐं वरी उनजी चोरी करियो, जेकॾहिं तव्हीं नथा चाहियो तव्हीं हुनखे माफ़ु करे छॾियो. कर्म इज़ बैलेंस्ड आउट.
दादा, हिकु भेण वंदना चवे थी मूंखे सुवालु पुछिणो कोन्हे, पर मां रुगो ॿुधाइणु चाहियां थी त हिन कैंप में अची मूंखे सुखमनी साहिब जूं तुकूं दादा खे ॿुधाइणियूं आहिनि. धन 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 जन आया, इस प्रसाद सब जगत तराया, जिस प्रसाद जगत तराया, आप मुकत मुकत करे संसार, नानक इस जन कयो सदा नमस्कार. त चए थी आसीस कजो त असीं वरी वरी तव्हांजे चरणनि में वेही ऐं सॼी साधना कैंप जे माण्हुनि जे तव्हां खां आसीस थी घुरे त आसीस कजो. त ईंदा रहनि ऐं नाम जपींदा रहनि.
Dadaji, it is mentioned that a person has to go through 64 lakh births to get this human birth. 64 lakh.
84,
sir. Sorry, sir. To get this human birth. But if the person is under a guru, will he directly get the human birth?
If he is under a guru, it means he is already a human being. The guru will not give to his dog a mantra or to his cow a mantra. He must be a human being.
Please advise what to do when there is no mutual understanding between parents and children. If parents are speaking bad words, how do we tackle the situation?
How?
Do we tackle the situation?
If the parents are speaking bad words, Put both the fingers in your ears. They are parents, let them talk. But you put two fingers in your ears.
Dadaji, Vivekananda put faith after getting, till there is no darshan, the surrender is difficult. How can we surrender to God till we have not seen Him?
You have seen him, but you have forgotten. It's lack of memory. Yesterday they brought a person here and they told me that this person has lost all memory. We are all like that. We have lost memory. At one time we were with God, but for some reason or the other we have become separate. Now we have to get back to God. There are three journeys. A person has to undergo three journeys. One is the journey away from God, in which we are now. Every day that passes, we keep on moving away, farther away from God. Then awakening comes. Awakening comes and we take a U-turn. The second journey is a journey back to God. We go and reach God. But God is something eternal, something infinite. It is beyond, God is beyond all dimensions. There is the third journey, it is the journey in God. We have to go through these three journeys. Now we are in the journey that is taking away from God. We have missed the way. We are going every day away, farther away from God. I remember years ago, I went to Nasik. My friend took me in his car to Nasik. And on our return, it was quite late in the night, he said, I am going to take you via a shortcut to Pune. I said, all right, you take me along the shortcut. But the shortcut happened to be a long way. It never ended. I said, let us ask people whether it is the way that leads to Pune. He said, no, I know about it, I'll take it. But then he listened to me and we asked someone. That person said, you are not going to Pune, you are going away from Pune. So all that distance that we had covered, it was away from Pune. We had to come back and to the point where we were and then go to Pune. So it is very much like that in our case. We are in our journey away from God. Now we must go back. This camp tells us you must make a U-turn and go back to God. Once we start going back to God, every day that passes will take us closer and closer to God. Then there is the third journey, the journey in God. Yes.
Dada, you encourage people to abstain from food of violence. What would you suggest to people who drink liquor?
Yes. I give preference to food of violence because in the food of violence there is killing. I believe that all killing should stop. And once you give up eating food of violence, the next step that you have to take is to keep away from liquor. Yes.
Dadaji, did you get a chance to wash the feet of Gurudev Sadhu Vaswani?
He didn't believe in these outer things. He believed in cultivating the inner life. He said the feet that you have to wash are the inner feet, not the outer feet. Yes. Yeah.
दादा गुरु मटाए सघिजे थो
Ha ha ha.
मटाए सघिजे थो
Ha.
हा बस
Guru Maharaj.
थैंक यू
गुरु मटाए सघिजे थो ऐं गुरु शिष्य मटाए सघे थो. पर जे गुरु मटाइजे गुरुअ खे नोटिस ॾिजे. गुरु जे मटाइजे त गुरुअ खे नोटिस ॾिजे. भई महीने जो नोटिस ॾिजेसि.
या गुरुनि जी इहा सम्झ कोन हुई. पोइ मां कंहिं वटि हिंदी सिखणु वेंदी हुअसि त उन मूंखे चयो, असांखे चई भई तव्हांखे ज़िंदगीअ में सुखी हलणो आहे. ज़रूरु असीं चवंदासीं हा न. त पोइ मूंखे चयईं त वञो लोटो ई मले ऐं पाणीअ जो भरे अचो. मां भरे आयसि. चई अंदरि संत वेठा आहिनि, मथो ढके वञजांइ. मां वियसि, भरे आयसि. मूंखे हथ में हीअं पाणी ॾिनई त मां ओॾी महिल मुंझी वियसि त हीअ त मूंखे गुरू थी कराए. पर उहो मूं बेसंजीअ में कयो. पोइ मूंखे ॾिनई हिकिड़ो फोटो त हीअ रखजांइ. पोइ हिकिड़ो पाणी भरे ॾिनई पीजांइ. पाणी भरे ॾिनई, उहो पीतो त मुंहिंजो पेट ख़राबु थी वियो. त मुंहिंजो मनु पहिरीं ॻाल्हि उते न लॻो. पोइ हुन वटि वेंदी हुअसि त ॿ टे अहिड़ियूं ॻाल्हियूं चयईं जो मुंहिंजो मनु उते लॻो न. पोइ न लॻो त साल गुज़री विया. उन्हनि सालनि में मूंखे चङई कष्ट आया. त मुंहिंजे मन में इहो हूंदो त नंढे हूंदे असां वॾनि खां ॿुधो त गुरू मटाइबो कोन्हे. त बसि हाणे गुरू आयो, नोटिस ॾियण जो मौक़ो न ॾिजो.
गुरू खे हा वञी सिर झुकाए हिते वञी. बराबरि.
Dada, you told us we can surrender our problems to God and forget. But what should we do if we are not able to forget it completely?
You can forget by repeating some line from the Sant Bani, from the Guru Vani, a shloka from the Gita, from the Upanishads. If your mind goes to the problem, you only repeat that over and over again. Or this one line is enough for you. Deena Bandhu Deenanath, Meri Dori Tere Haath. Make it your scripture. Make it your Gita. Make it your everything. Whenever you want your mind to be focused on something and the mind wanders, all you have to do is to say, Deena Bandhu Deenanath, Meri Dori Tere Haath.
Dadaji, does black magic exist?
It does.
If someone is under the effect of it, how can you tell?
That you have to go to the black magic expert. There is a course in black magic that they teach. There are people who have studied black magic and they can practice black magic.
Dada, your views on astrology, palmistry and other forms of future prediction.
I believe in astrology, in palmistry. In fact, when I was a student, I was working a little on astrology. I believed that when a person is born, he is born in a particular magnetic field. And he will be influenced by that magnetic field throughout his life. I was trying to work on it when my mind turned to other things. I believe in astrology, but I don't believe in astrologers. Astrology I believe in, but if you go to two astrologers, they will give you different interpretations. Therefore, whom to believe? That is the question. Yes.
Dada, why is so sweet, kind and loving to everyone?
Why? Teach me to be sweet and kind to everyone. Teach me. Teach me. Teach me to be sweet and kind to everyone. Sweet and kind. Kind and sweet.
Dadaji, I have got a Guru mantra which is very long. can I chant only Krishna, Radha instead of that?
Yes, yes, cut it short. You can do it. Next
Yeah,
question.
Dada.
Next
When-
question.
When a disciple makes mistake, does the guru leave the disciple?
No, the Guru never leaves the disciple. Once a disciple, always a disciple. Until the disciple becomes a Guru himself. A stage comes, the disciple passes through different stages. In the first stage, he is a wanderer. Then he becomes a pilgrim. Then he becomes a disciple. Then he becomes a sadhak. Then he becomes a shishu. Shishu and shish, there's a difference. Shishu means a son of the Guru. Then finally he becomes a Guru himself. Until then, he is bound to the Guru. Yes.
प्यारा दादा, भगवान दादाजी मूंखे चवंदा आहिनि जंहिं ॾींहुं प्रसाद खाओ उन ॾींहुं 2 कलाक वधीक नाम जपियो। त असीं छा प्रसाद वठूं या न वठूं?
मूं सम्झो कोन्हे। जे भॻवान जो प्रसाद वठो त पोइ भॻवान जीअं चयव तीअं करियो। जे हिते जो प्रसाद वठो त कुझु तव्हां ते लॻे थो। सभिनी खे न, जिन खे खपे तिन खे, ज़ोरीअ न किन खे ॾे। हा, ज़ोर। ही चए थी सभिनी खे प्यार ऐं भक्ति ॾियो। मूं चयो सभु वीचारा न बि चाहींदा हुजनि, इन करे जेके चाहीनि तिन खे ॾियो। प्यार ऐं भक्ति, प्यार ऐं भक्ति, भक्ति ऐं प्यार,
प्यारा
भक्ति ऐं
दादा।
प्यार। हा, इन में पहिरियों क़दम अथव हिक ॿिए सां मिठो ॻाल्हायो। ॿियो क़दम अथव हिक ॿिए जी मदद करियो। टियों क़दम अथव हिक ॿिए में गुरूअ जी इमेज, गुरूअ जो इमेज ॾिसी उन जे अॻियां सिर झुकायो। हा, तव्हांजा ॿेड़ा पार आहिनि।
अचो अचो अचो। प्यारा दादा,
हा,
शीला तेजवाणी चवे थी मां पुणे जी रहंदड़ आहियां, मिशन में काफ़ी सालनि खां ईंदड़ आहियां, ख़ासि ॾींहंनि ते बि ज़रूरु ईंदी आहियां, पर अॼु ताईं पंहिंजे तव्हांजे आशीर्वाद जा हथ मुंहिंजे मथे ते कॾहिं कोन मिलिया आहिनि। अहिड़ो मौक़ो कोन मिलियो आहे, छा अॼु इहा मुंहिंजी इच्छा पूरी थींदी?
छो न, छो न,
शीला तेजवाणी,
छो न। मां पंहिंजो मथो जले थो बीहां।
शीला तेजवाणी भॼंदी अचु, डोरंदी अचु, डोरंदी अचु।
मूंखे अची पंहिंजे
टिल नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट।
हलो यू
ॿी भेण चवे थी मूंखे प्रॉब्लम आहे, रुगो आसीस करियो।
Dadaji, in accepting the will of God, I say Shukrana, but I cannot meditate or sit in silence. Is it okay?
Okay.
While sitting for meditation, which direction is preferable?
No direction is really necessary, but people prefer the east, facing the east. Yes, yes. Because
That's-
तो किया है, तो किया है, तो किया, तो किया। वाह, गुरु का के रहम में रखंदो। तू सत्संग में अची त मूंखे मिल अची। God bless.
Dadaji,
Yes, yes.
it is believed that the 39th or 40th year of life is very crucial on the spiritual plane in the life of a person. Is it true? Then he has given examples. Jesus Christ, Swami Vivekananda, Gautama Buddha underwent a transformation around the age of 39.
Every year is important in the life of the individual because you never know when death is going to come and take hold of you. You should be ready every day. Every day is important. There was a holy man. They asked him, how did you attain these heights of holiness? He said, every morning as I woke up, I used to say to myself, perhaps this is my last day on earth. And if it is my last day on earth, I must be sweet to everybody. I must be kind with everybody. I must try to serve everybody whom I can. So every day is important. It is not that the 40th year is important, no. Every year is important, yes.
That's
Dadaji, what is the ultimate goal of life?
It depends upon you. But we are all trying to move on the path of perfection.
Pyare Dadaji, we have a request from all bridge builders. We want to have a youth camp.
You want to have a youth
camp. All
Youth.
the bridge builders.
What prevents you from having a youth camp?
No, nothing. I mean, we would like to have more. youth camp.
If there's only obstacle, you tell me, we'll have it removed. Yes.
No, we don't have any obstacles. But if you could give us permission, even 2 days. would
Oh
be
yes,
fine.
you can have it from tomorrow.
Yeah. You had mentioned that we can contact departed souls through a medium.
You can contact?
Departed souls through a medium. But however, some of the departed souls might also be already reincarnated. So how would we know if they are already reincarnated?
They don't reincarnate so soon. If a person dies a natural death, then he is sure to be there until you also go and reach the astral world.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank
yes.
you, Dadaji.
But if a death has been caused by accident or
Illness.
it is an unnatural death, then people reincarnate very quickly.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. Thank you, Dadaji.
Dada, should we believe in Vastu?
If you do, you can believe. If you don't, you cannot believe. You need not believe.
Dadaji.
Vastu has become fashionable nowadays. But say 50 years ago, we never heard the name Vastu. We used to hear the name Vastira. There used to be people called Vastiram, but there was no Vastu in those days.
What exactly is Dasmi Dwar? And how will it open?
Dasma Dwar, you see, there are 9 openings of the body with which you are familiar. 2 eyes, 2 nostrils, 2 ears, and 1 mouth. That makes 2, 4, 6, 7. And 1 organ of generation and 1 organ of evacuation. Besides these 9 openings, there is a 10th gate through which the current of consciousness can pass and abide in the eternal. That is the Dasma Dwar. They call it the 10th gate, the Dasma Dwar. It opens only when the grace of the Guru or the grace of God is poured upon you. You have to constantly pray for the grace of God to be poured upon you. Grace of God to be poured upon you, there is one rule that you must follow. You must always return good for evil. And the measure in which you return good for evil, in that measure you are drawing closer and closer to the grace of God. Yes.
प्यारा दादा, जेकी प्रभु करे थो उन में असांजो भलो आहे, पर केतिरा दफ़ा असां खां के ग़लति कम थी वेंदा आहिनि ऐं असीं उनखे चेंज नथा करे सघूं। जेका ग़लती थी वई उनखे असीं बदिलाए नथा सघूं। भई उन वक़्तु मन में शांत करण लाइ चवंदा आहियूं इहा बि प्रभु जी मर्ज़ी हूंदी।
न, इहा प्रभु जी मंज़ूरी न। ग़लति कम प्रभुअ ते न उछलणु घुरिजनि, पर ग़लति करे का मूंखां जे ग़लती थिए त मां जेकर उन मां सबक़ु सिखां ऐं मां चवां त वरी मां इहा ग़लती न कंदुसि। प्रभु मूंखे तूं शक्ति ॾिजांइ, मूंखे तूं सुमत ॾिजांइ जे मां वरी इहा ग़लती न करियां।
प्यारा दादा, गुरुदेव साधू वासवाणीअ जे मिठे गीत में अखर अचनि था रोज बहत है अमृत धारा, रोज बहत है अमृत धारा। कृपा करे ॿुधाईंदा हिन दुनिया जे धमचर में रही हाउ टू एक्सपीरियंस दैट।
इहो एक्सपीरियंस साईं कंदा जेकॾहिं तव्हां अमृत वेले जो उथी जॾहिं शांति हूंदी आहे, जॾहिं लोक सुम्हियल हूंदा आहिनि, फ़क़ति के भक्त जागी प्रभुअ खे ध्यानु था, तपस्वी तपस्या कनि था, त उन वक़्तु ईअं चयो वञे थो त प्रभुअ जा फ़रिश्ता अमृत खणी निकिरंदा आहिनि। पोइ उन रुगो माण्हू वेठो आहे, लेटियो न पियो हुजे, वेठो आहे, नाम न खणी ॻाईंदो हुजे, त बि उनखे कुझु अमृत जो छुटकारो विझंदा वञनि था।
Dada, my daughter loves to dance and wants to learn Western dance. How should I react?
I do not know what is meant by Western dance. I understand a little of Bharat Nityam, but I don't know what Western dance is. If by Western dance is meant nudity or something of that sort, it should not be encouraged, no.
Dada, if the first journey to God is going away from God, then when death comes to your way and you're taking the second journey to God, why are people scared of death?
They shouldn't be scared of God.
But then why are they?
Because they are running away from God. If they go back to God, they will not be scared. No.
Dada, is there heaven or hell after death? If yes, then does our Guru be by our side even when we go through the fire of hell?
There is no hell as such, but there is what they call a purgatory, through which a person passes temporarily for a few days to be purified, so that after becoming pure, he can go and live with the pure ones in the astral world. Yes.
Come here, no? Till then ask.
Okay. Two of my friends had a fight. Both are equally dear to me, but one has asked me not to talk to the other. How should I make her understand that it is not possible for me to differentiate or choose one of them?
You change the name of the other person and then talk to him. And if your first friend asks you, you tell him that I was talking. Supposing the name of the second person is Hutchand. You call him Tolaram and say, I was talking to Tolaram, not to Hutchand.
नमस्कार दादा, मेरे बेटे ने 4 साल पहले 3 बार फेल होके पढ़ाई छोड़ दी है और अभी मुझे हाणे मूंखे ख़बर पई आहे त उनखे थोरी घणी चोरीअ जी ऐं कूड़ ॻाल्हाइण जी आदत आहे, इन जे करे बि पढ़ाई छॾी हूंदई या कोई ॿियो कारण हूंदो?
इन करे
ऐं कूड़ ॻाल्हाइण जी।
तव्हां किथे रहंदा आहियो? अहमदाबाद में। कंहिं सत्संग में जेकॾहिं हले तव्हीं जेकर वठी वञोसि, सत्संग जो असरु जे थिएसि त ही चोरीअ खां ऐं कूड़ खां परे थी सघे थो।
ऐं अॻियां नथो पढ़े त उनजो कुझु अफ़सोस कयां?
सम्झायोसि, शायदि जेकॾहिं पढ़े त पोइ चोरी बि घटि करे सघंदो ऐं कूड़ बि घटि ॻाल्हाए सघंदो, इहो बि सुठो थींदो, पर प्यार में सम्झायोसि। जेकॾहिं तव्हीं हुन सां स्ट्रिक्ट थींदा त उहे तो वधीक डीठ थींदो।
हा ठीकु आहे, थैंक यू।
Are Naam, Simran, daily appointments and sitting in silence the same or are they different?
Nam Smaran
Daily appointment and sitting in silence.
and daily appointment sitting in practically the same. Practically the same, yes. Yes.
Dada, I don't have any question. I just want, we say we love Dada. So L for leave, O for hour, V for very, E for ego. I want to surrender this to you. My ego, our ego. And
Have you consulted the ego?
I want to need your blessing, Dada.
Is it prepared to be surrendered?
Yeah, I want blessing.
Is it prepared to be surrendered? Because the
That's
ego,
why I need your blessing.
ego might stand up and say, no, I don't want to be surrendered. Then what will you do?
No, I want
So you
your blessings.
first explain to the ego that he should be prepared to be surrendered. Yes.
With your blessings.
Then you come to me.
With
Yes,
your blessings.
Yes, yes.
And the other thing is, you given me the book yesterday, Vegetarian. I'm already vegetarian. My daughter is not. So can you just write her name, Pashmina?
Yes, I can.
Yeah.
What is that name?
Pashmina Lalchandani.
Pashmina.
Pashmina.
Yeah.
Pashmina is such a beautiful name.
Bless her. Bless her with the.
Pashmina wool is made after so many silkworms are destroyed.
दादा दादा हिन नीच बालक जी परिणाम स्वीकार करो दादा हिन नीच बालक जी परिणाम स्वीकार करो दादा चवंदा आहिनि त संत हसे गुरु फसे
बि चवंदा आहिनि त संत रोए संत रोए त प्रभु मोहे ईअं चवंदा आहिनि संत जेकी कंदो आहे सो प्रभुअ जे सदके कंदो आहे
चरण वंदना दादा हर बार दिलि थींदी आहे तव्हांजे चरणनि में सिर झुकाए महिर नज़र पायां पर हिमत कोन थींदी आहे अॼु इहा इच्छा पूरी करियो दादा जॾहिं बि तकलीफ़ ईंदी आहे उन टाइम दुख न थींदो आहे पर चवंदी दादा अॼु शायदि मां भॻवान खे भुलिजी वई आहियां पर दादा मुंहिंजी दिलि में अखियूं भिनल नथियूं रहनि मूंखे अखियुनि में जंहिं लिखियो आहे प्यारी भेण तूं अची आसीस वठी वञ
हलो
हिमत करे हली अच
भले हिकिड़ो पछाई जो क्वेश्चन ताईं पुछे
दादा तव्हां चयो त पंहिंजनि प्यारनि सां मिली सघिजे थो कंहिं मीडिएटर्स थ्रू त उहे मीडिएटर्स किथे मिली सघंदा जीअं प्यारनि सां असां ॻाल्हाए सघूं मिली सघूं
हिते हीअ आहे चारू आहे चारू डू यू नो ऑफ अ मीडियम हाँ Bombay, you give him the address.